This looks fun. See it? Go fetch. Go fetch.
Just one more little puck to negotiate, and then your title
No food?
is finally at the age of 55.
Pretty much sums up the last 4 or 5 holes.
See, it's more than disappointment. It's frustration. It's, I think, anger with himself. Especially when you go back to the 4th hole, where he made a second birdie. He had a 4-shot lead with 14 holes to play in this championship. Made bogeys at 7, 8, and 10. And then showed some good life, bouncing back with a birdie at 12. And had that good opportunity at 17.
Nice job, buddy.
What?
Back in the seat.
Oh. Is this the smell of the chicken?
That's chicken we're gonna have. I gave him some. Gave him some macaroni, and he's got all this good stuff in there if he wants it.
Is this what we're
Shellfish,
going to?
macaroni. Yeah. Got a pumpkin seed. Oh, don't distract him.
Sorry. He's eating.
There are rocks that can amaze you, and rocks that can inspire your imagination. Rocks that can touch your heart, soothe your senses, or help you enjoy a little free time. Yes, a rock can do a lot of things, but only this rock has what it takes to help you plan for a rock-solid retirement. Let Prudential be.
Thanks.
Chase calculates help you avoid fees wherever you are. Control matters. Chase what matters.
Now, for a limited time only, you can get amazing 0 APR financing on your favorite Toyota. That's 0% financing on 11 different models, featuring Toyota's legendary quality. No other car brand can make this offer. So hurry in now and see how much 0 can save you on a new Toyota. Celebrate the 64th Annual Columbus Day Parade, Monday at noon.
The Constellation Energy Senior Players Championship is the
From school now, Dad, so we don't forget it.
Disney, what you doing? What you doing? Disney? I see you. Go upside down. Put your head between your legs. Go ahead. There you go. That's nice. Hanging by 1 foot. Alright. That's talented. Yeah, don't bite your own foot. You'll fall. That's talented. Now you're stuck. That was good. Good move.